Hello everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Celsius emerges as biggest gainer as crypto markets dip after 15 minutes. Crypto broken Genesis Global Rapist CEO cuts workforce by 20%. The South Korea government access 60 exchange of illegal operation. The soaring of inflation to a four-digit hike forced the United States Federal Reserve to take stringent measures, including interest rate hikes. This only warrants the crypto market crash in the first half of 2022. Bullish crypto enthusiasts had expected positive reports from the FOMC minutes. However, the U.S. Central Banking Authority said in the minutes of its July meeting the inflation is still unacceptably high. Shortly after the report was released, the crypto markets turned bearish, Bitcoin falling from its failed attempt to reclaim 25 now trends at 23,500 is down by 2%, falling from over. The 24 hours price chart for Bitcoin BTC surged coin market cap. The 24 hours price chart for Ethereum ETH surged coin market cap. Despite the broader crypto market being brisk, Celsius CEL has realized to a 20% daily gain to hit a hike of 2.95. The rally follows a profile from the backup battery to allow the crypto lender to sell in mined Bitcoins. The 24 hours price chart to Celsius CEL course coin market cap. Flipsider, Kanjian Vision, Giant Cases has written of the claims of 150 million investment in Celsius network. Hobby Stablecoin lost its US dollar rate crashes to 0.9. The Hobby branded stablecoin, launched in 2018 by Stable Universal, has become the last stablecoin to lose in dollar rate. Is now trending as low as 0.91, a 90% drop from its original one page. The 24 hours price chart HUSD course coin market cap. The stablecoin now trends at 0.9070. The ongoing depegging of the USD result from liquidity issue, the Avengers daily turn volume. About 2 weeks ago, crypto exchange FTX removed from its basket of supported USD stablecoin. The delisted from FTX further reduced the option available for HUSD holder, with Hobby and Uniswap F2 accounting for more than 85% of its trade volume. Hobby's global resetting to the pegging of its stablecoins has announced it will work together with its HUSD issuer Stable Universal to find a solution and restore its page as soon as possible. Media reports also suggest that Luis Carlos Reis, the director of Colombia's Tax and Custom Agency, said that Colombia's new government, formed by President Gustavo Petro, is looking at create a digital currency that would make transactions easier for the consumer. Talking about how digital currency ability benefit user experience, Reis said that Colombia's plans to implement digital currency and aimed at the country's new monetary policy measure to expand the transparency of financial transactions. According to Reis, tax evasion in Colombia is expected to account for 6 to 8% of the country's gross domestic product as of yet. Colombia's Tax and Customs Agency said the system established with the blockchain-based innovation for opening generals for would control improve the national system for motoring as well as mapping purchases made by its residents. Colombian government did not reveal what kind of digital currency the country is contemplating, whether it be a central bank digital currency or asset-backed national currency similar to Venezuela's Petro digital currency project. Okay, thanks for watching. I think that's enough for me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you.